So we got a quick video today. I'm going to show you how to install lateral pads on a Permobil power chair. So we're going to start by addressing this rail here. They would be installed in this rail system. You would have your pad and you would have the mounting bracket, and it just sits in there like this. So these mounting brackets have 4 screws, and on the other side is 4 little square nuts, and these nuts are going to slide in this railing system. So first we're going to remove this plastic cover. It just kind of pulls out. We're going to get this railing system in. It could be a little tricky. You want to make sure these are loose so that they go in pretty easily. It can take a few tries. There we go, got the first set in. I'm going to get the second set. If they aren't going in, you can always loosen them a little bit more. The last one. There we go. Once they're in, you can slide it to whatever position you want. I'm going to go right about there, and then you're going to tighten it with an Allen wrench. I am using a 4mm Allen set. And your chair most likely came with a toolkit that should have this size Allen wrench. If not, it is a 4mm size Allen wrench. So I tighten these 4. I can put this little rubber piece back on. It goes underneath that plastic shroud there. And then when you're ready to install the pad, you would slide the pad in. You can adjust, you can take this little screw out and adjust it wherever you want the pad to sit. I've got it in the bottom hole. And then you would tighten it down with this. Now you might notice you can't turn it all the way, you'll hit this. These screws actually, you can push this out, then reset, so you can tighten it multiple times. Now once that's in, it's tight. If you want to adjust your lateral pads, I'm going to take it out so you can see. A lot of lateral pads will have different adjustments. So if I loosen this, I can slide it out or in. If I loosen this nut, I can change the curvature. And if you unzip this one in particular, I can loosen these, then slide it forward or back. They're plenty adjustable for whatever you would want. But I've got these sitting so they sit straight forward and they keep your legs on the pad. And that's how to add lateral pads onto a Permobil power chair.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.